Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Google Maps account. Click your profile picture in the upper right hand side once you're in Google Maps. Then click in your profile. Then here you want to click on edit profile at the top. Then here you want to choose edit Google account info. And you want to scroll down, guys. You will find your profile picture. Just simple tap on that. And you'll be able to choose. As you can see, it says remove at the bottom, and it also says change. So if you tap on that, it's going to open up, it's going to show you some illustrations and stuff like that that you can really basically choose from. So you can explore different images and choose something from there, or you can choose device, and here you can just choose to take or to browse from your computer or from your phone, right? So you can just choose browse, and here you will have the option to basically choose your camera, or you can just choose media picker, right? So if you tap on media picker, for as an example, it's going to open up your pictures here on your phone, and you can choose something from your phone, guys. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.